Good afternoon, Barrister Ugochi.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Barrister.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good to see you too.
How have you been?
Very well. And how may I be of help to you?
Barrister, so good to see you.
Yeah.
Really? You don't remember me? Alright, good. Let me get it to you straight, okay? I'm the younger brother of Chief Mbadiwe, the CEO of Mbadiwe's Company Limited. You catch that drift, right? Now listen. I am here to ask for the documents as regards to my brother's properties. Hello?
I don't understand. Young man, as far as I'm concerned, you lack the locus over your brother's property.
Locus on a smooth again. Barrister, now listen up. I know you like to play balls, okay? And two can play their game. Okay, you know what? I am ready to transfer a sum of 5M into your accounts, okay? Just provide me my brother's document and let me get out of here.
Is that why you killed your brother?
Barrister. You think I'm here to joke with you, right? Huh? You think I'm here to joke with you? I said give my brother's document and let me get out of here. Huh?
You're pointing a gun at me?
Are you okay? Now give me the documents.
I'll call the police.
Voila. You can call the police. What kind of a dream is this? Alright, come in.
Sir, there's a man outside. He said he wants to see you.
It's alright, let him in.
Alright.
What kind of a dream is this? This time? Good afternoon, Barrister Ugochi.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Barrister. How are you?
Good afternoon. Fine.
Barrister, you're not looking bad, you know. You look good.
Thank you.
Barrister, I didn't know I'll be able to know the direction to your office. Since the last time I came here with my late brother.
Okay.
Your office look good. So touch of hospitality is still here.
Thank you.
There's one. Barrister, I am here to invite you for a crucial meeting with my family.
What's the meeting for?
Barrister, you see, as the eldest in the family now, I want to have a general meeting with my family. Since the death of my elder brother, we've not sat and talked. So it will be a privilege. No, Barrister, it will be an honor to have you in that meeting present.
So, what's the meeting for?
Barrister, you see, some important questions might come up that you will need to answer to, as my brother's barrister and advocate.
It's okay, so what's the place and time?
So quick! That's my barrister. Alright, my brother's place, 2 p.m. on the dot.
It's okay, I'll be there. I'll be there.
Barrister, it's a pleasure. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much. Don't be late, 2 p.m. Barrister, who got you? Nice office you have here.
This was the same man I saw in my dream. And out of the blues, he appears in my office, inviting me for a crucial family meeting. Oh, I guess he wants to demand for the document of Chief's properties. Is that so?
Hey, what's up?
I'm alright, I'm good.
Did you meet him?
Sure, I met him.
How did he go?
Everything went as planned, okay? Listen, I've given him all the necessary informations. And he promised he will be there tomorrow.
We are making progress.
Exactly. This time around. Once I'm done with him, I'll get myself a new lawyer.
Come on, let's go.
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies.
Babe.
They're lurking in the
Yes, babe.
shadows.
Do you know why your uncle is calling for that meeting tomorrow?
No.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Maybe it's because of your father's properties. He wants the lawyer to read the will so he can know his stand.
Babe, my father only had one child, which is me, so who am I going to share his practice with?
Let's wait until tomorrow then.
I summoned this meeting to thank everyone that supported and encouraged during my late brother's burial, Chief Mbadiwe of Chief Mbadiwe's Limited. And I also want to use this opportunity for us to discuss the way forward as regards his properties.
What? You mean you summoned this meeting to talk about my father's properties?
Yes. He's your father. Don't forget, he's also my elder brother. Though we have equal right, but I am your elder.
Uncle Godwin, just hold up, wait. Like, what exactly do you want to know about my father's properties? Like what? Which one? Let me understand.
Ella, calm down, okay? I called this meeting. Allow me to conduct it as deemed fit, right? Barrister Ugoji, you are my late brother's advocate and barrister. Please, tell us about my brother's will.
Oh, Mr. Godwin, it will interest you to note that Chief Mbadiwe had no will. You know why? He has only one child, and that child automatically inherits everything he had.
You lie! Yes, barrister, be careful. You lie! Listen, I'm the only brother of Chief Mbadiwe. He has no son. There is no son anywhere. And by right, I am supposed to inherit all his properties.
He has no son, but he has a daughter, which is me. Yes.
Esizi n'ọnwụ n'ego mmadụ. N'ego onye ọzọ.
Hey, listen. Don't put your mouth in this matter. You are just an in-law. You are not a member of this family.
How dare you speak to my husband in that tone? Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with him, babe? Barrister, with all due respect, this meeting is over. Uncle, leave my father's house. Leave!
Are you asking me to leave?
Leave the house now!
Let me tell you. In our tradition, women don't take part in sharing for the parties, okay? Your father doesn't have a son. I am his only brother.
But he has a daughter, which is me, and I'm asking you to get out. Leave!
Are you talking to me?
We've had enough of this bullshit.
Listen, barrister. My brother do not have a son. In our tradition, women don't protect his sharing properties. Listen, This entire estate, this entire properties, his company belongs to me by inheritance.
How will you take it? Who will give it to you?
I don't
I don't understand.
Is it your money? Why are you?
I don't understand.
For the second time. For the second time, don't involve in this matter.
You will do nothing if he involves himself in it. He's my husband, so by right, he has the right to speak.
Enough. Enough is enough. My wife said you should leave, and that's some period.
The audacity and the temerity.
In fact,
Ogene! Ogene!
Okay. Please go. Mind this nonsense. Kindly escort him away. And on no account should you let him into this compound again.
Ever again.
Yes, Oga.
Listen, remember I promised I'm going to give you a punch. Now I'll punch you. Don't touch me.
See, as you see me, I dey vex. And I no one carry the paranoia with my body enter you. I no one lose my job for anybody. Oga, move or you want make I move you.
Don't touch my shirt. Don't move. Do not move my shirt. Move. I'm uncle.
Get down.
It's expensive. Don't move for my clothes. It's expensive.
I go not your move. See what this one.
Anna, we see.
We will see nothing.
They go.
We will see nothing. Leave.
Baby, listen. Our plans is about revealing that shutter. If we don't do something now, I mean now.
What really happened?
Now, baby, listen. Can you imagine? That little girl of yesterday, that rat, has a right to chase me out of my own brother's house.
What? She did what?
She asked me to leave my own brother's house. I was bundled and dragged as if I wasn't nobody. But that stupid gate man.
No. They can never succeed. I know their plans, but they will never succeed. You are going to inherit your brother's wealth.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Listen, sweetheart, okay? I don't care how it's going to happen. Okay? Anyone that comes on my way must be crushed. I'll take them out. I'll take them out. That I promise you. Oh my God.
Godwin, we need to go see the barrister. We need to have a private talk with him.
Come on, sweetheart. Why are you talking as if you don't know this barrister of a man? That man is too stubborn. Will he listen to us?
Godwin, there's no harm in trying. Delay is dangerous.
Okay, fine. We'll do that tomorrow, okay? Send me rest for today, man. That guy really offended me. That stupid guy.
He actually pushed you out of the compound.
They're funding me, sweetheart. Oh.
You see, the same man I saw in my dream was the same person who came here. Everything he told me, he repeated again.
Something in me tells me he knows something about Chief's death.
I'm not doubting you. I'm not doubting it. It was a clear revelation.
If truly he has a hand in my father's death, he won't go scot-free.
Well, the law, I suggest we do a change of names in all the documents.
Well, if you ask me, that will not be necessary.
No, barrister. It is very necessary. I want all the names in my father's documents to be changed. All properties, all of it.
Sure of this? Oh, well, if that is what you want, consider it done. Okay? I'll do as you want. I'll be on my way now. So whenever you're ready for the change of documents, just intimate me.
I'll be around. Oh, thank you very much, barrister.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. And please do take it easy. Excuse me.
So, babe, Which name are you planning to put on your late father's documents?
Mine, of course. I mean, I'm the CEO, right?
Why don't you equally say you're the man here? This is my problem with you. You make me feel less of myself. I am your husband. I should be on top of everything.
Babe, sorry, why are you sounding like this? I have never seen you less or not like my husband. I respect you. I give you all the respect that you asked for, so.
But, does it make sense? My name is supposed to be on the documents as your husband. But okay, it's fine. Let's not push it, it's okay. It's not a problem. Yeah, that's what you want. It's okay.
Honey, look, I believe that you and I are one. We're a couple, right? I'm married to you and you're married to me. Whatever belongs to me automatically belongs to you, and whatever belongs to you is the same with me, so...
If I said it's nothing, okay?
I just want us to be happy. Does it really matter whose name is on the document?
I said it's not a problem. That's what you want, right? It's fine, mommy. After all, I married you as a nobody, so what do I expect? I don't want to push so that you won't see me as an ungrateful human being or someone that is pushing too far. It's okay.
Would you want me to put your name as the CEO?
No, I said it's fine, babe.
No, if that's what you want, I can do it.
If I said it's fine.
I just want us to be happy, babe.
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you mingle with. There are so many friendly enemies. They're hiding in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike.
Babe? Babe? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You know you don't have to lie to me. I've been married to you for so long to know when you're fine and when you're not. I know you're not fine. Ever since we talked last night, you've been acting really strange. What happened? Steve, tell me, I'll get it sorted out. What?
I said I'm fine.
Ma, you need to get these items. They are almost finished. Let me see. Mercy? Ma, you didn't add the bin back here? I will add it. How much is everything? 150 K. Fine, send your account to me. Okay, ma. Mercy, remind me of your salary. How much do you pay again?
50K, ma. 50,000.
Alright. So next month, I'll pay you 80K.
Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Hey. Babe? What's up? Babe. Why?
Who am I in this marriage? Why are you treating me like some sort of toy?
Babe, I'm confused. What did I do?
Maybe because I'm still in your late father's house. That's the reason you always see me as the old broke Steve.
No! Why would you even say that? Honey, what have I done?
No, it should be what have you not done. You pay all the bills in this house. You increase the workers' salaries upon you. Your father's company will bear your name. So what am I doing here? Who am I?
Honey, you're getting it the wrong way.
I was thinking I'm trying to assist you with some of the work since you have a lot already that you're doing. I didn't know it was going to hurt your feelings. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, babe.
I don't mean to sound ungrateful after everything your dad did for me. But your behavior makes me feel less of myself.
Babe, I said I'm sorry. And no one is telling you ungrateful. You're a nice man. You've been nice to us. I'm sorry now. I wouldn't do it again. Okay, fine. From now on, you be the one to pay the workers. You be the one to increase their salary if you want to. You be the one to, just be the man that you want to be.
When you're talking, I'm the man here. Oh, Guinea Jim.
You've always been the man. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're both welcome, man. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how do you want the names on the document?
Barrister, I no longer want my name to be on the document. Rather, I'll prefer my husband's name.
Why?
Zed. Why are you trying to... Okay, my name is not what... What's your problem now? This is my wife. She said, use my name on the documents. You're saying, why? You try to me better at the answer.
No, Mr. Steve, I'm not making anybody look stupid. Huh? This is my work, and I don't want to make mistakes.
But you just insulted my personality here.
Oh, babe, just calm down.
Oh, it's getting on my nerves.
It's okay.
Was that necessary?
No, it wasn't meant to be so. No, can I insult you?
That's what you... Don't get on my nerves, please.
Just calm down. It's okay. Barrister, just calm
It's
down.
getting me angry.
I'm sorry if I sounded the way you didn't like, or I just wanted to be sure so I don't make mistakes.
Let me tell you what you don't know. I'm also a lawyer. Yes, I studied law, just that I did not practice.
That means you're not a lawyer.
It's there again. I'm out of here. Conclude with
Babe,
no, this guy is coming in, sitting in my bed. I'm outside.
where are you going?
Don't worry. Conclude with him.
At least let's...
Well, he's claiming on my Jack.
Why did you sound so rude to him?
You say rude? Ella, you need to be careful. No one is to be trusted if you ask me.
He's my husband.
You never can tell. You never can tell. You need to tread softly if you ask me.
Why?
The heart of man is desperately wicked.
Barrister.
So what can I do for you, please?
Barrister, I'm here to see you for we to settle some issues.
Issue? What could that be, please?
Barrister, I came to see you as regards the documents of my late brother's property. Yes, at his place, we tried discussing the matter, though it didn't go well. So I want to use this opportunity to apologize, for the little misunderstanding the both of us had. I'm sorry, Barrister. It's not intentional art. You know how it is, man. you know how guys can.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm sorry,
I can understand.
Finally, please, you have to forgive me. Yeah?
It's okay.
Namaste, please. I'm sorry. Thank you. Without wasting much of your time, Barrister, my fiancée, my wife to be, she's downstairs waiting for me. We have somewhere very important to get to. Okay? So I'll just hit straight to the point. Barrister, I am here to collect my late brother's documents of his entire properties. Like what we discussed last time, though it didn't go well. Barrister, listen. I'm this next of kin. He has no son. You understand? My late brother, he didn't give birth to any son, just only his daughter. And by tradition and by right, she doesn't take part in sharing of his will. Okay? Listen, my niece, Ella, She's her husband's responsibility, not mine, okay? Just give me my late brother's document of all his properties, okay? No, just do this, please, okay? Barrister, I understand. You like to play ball. Okay, fine. I'll give you 30% and I'll keep 70, okay? 70-30, let's just split. Please. Barrister Goji, use the door. Yeah? Use the door. Sorry, I was kidding. I said use the door. I got you, listen. I know barristers, you love it equal rights. Okay, I'll give you 50%. Let's share it equal, 50-50. I said leave the door. Leave my office. Do I look cheap to you? Barrister, it is here, man. Barrister, listen, okay? I can see you don't want to play balls with me. Yeah. And I can see you want to be a stormy block on my way. But I won't allow you to do that, okay? I'll take it by force, through violence. Get out of my office, you scallywag! How dare you? Barrister, now listen. I can see you want to be a stormy block on my way. I will not let you. Swear to God. See that you play balls on 50-50, or I'll take it by force with violence. That I promise you. You shall see. We shall see. Allah. Idiot! We shall see. Rubbish! Babe, listen. I will not let that old fool do this to me. Yeah? That old fool is playing with fire. I will never allow him be a storming block on my way. Never!
Hey!
No, babe. It won't be a storming block on my way.
Don't say anything again until we get home.
Listen, I will not let him do this to me. I won't allow him to do this to me.
Listen, babe. It's obvious he has been bribed. But let's get home first.
He has been bribed.
Come on, let's go.
I will not let him.
Hey, I don't get a lot. Hey, this. Hey. Oh, more. I like this sweet though. Sweet one.
What is this exactly?
I just get that right. Guess what?
What?
Madam increased my salary.
You are not the only one. She increased mine too.
Hey.
Yes.
How much she increased your own too?
You tell me how much? You don't know how much.
You see my problem what they get with you? Every time you they claim say you get sense. Now me now first ask you how much they increase your salary to. You don't want to tell me. Sure you make sense? It don't make sense.
Why you can't shout now?
Why I no go shout? Every time they claim say you get sense pass me or like say I no get sense.
Hey, you don't get sense now. Now you make they use your sense. See, if you don't want to tell me, you forget.
I know they tell you anything. I know they tell you. Tell me how much they increase your own to.
I beg, come out for here. Keep quiet.
Eh, make I keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
I no blame you. No, I know just for me you spoil my phone this early morning. Bad luck. See how it is. Hey! This. Oh my like this. So that
Yes, come in. Oh.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, drop them here. Go get me lunch from that fast food at the junction.
Okay, I'll do that.
Do you still have money with you?
I have 7,000 left.
7,000? What can I get for me? 7,000. Okay, get me abu, fufu, and the ofu nubu.
Alright, sir.
Wait, make sure it's hot, eh?
Okay.
Right, thank you. This is a document.
Don't, please. Don't, please, please. Please, don't. No, please, don't. Please.
Hello, babe. Babe, can you hear me? Babe, I just got very bad news now. Someone just called me now that we lost Barrister Oji. Yes, he was shot. He was shot and he died. I don't know. I just got a call. I don't even know what to think, what to say. Where are you? I saw him. I was with him. I don't know. Babe, I'm so scared. Who must have done this?
They are dangerous. They just waiting for the day they will bring you down. They are dangerous. Those friendly enemies, beware of them, 'cause they are dangerous. They are wolves in the coat of sheep, like a dangerous. They're waiting for the day to strike.
Why would someone assassinate the barrister?
I'm scared. Now I'm legit scared. I don't know who's going to be next. It could be you, it could be me. I don't know who to trust. I'm scared.
Calm down, okay? Calm down. God is in control. I think we should beef up security, especially at the office.
Yes, babe, you can do that. Just make sure everywhere is tight, because I don't know who is doing this. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't feel safe. From inside, something is wrong. I can tell.
You calm down, okay? Again, I think we need to visit the barrister's office to make sure your father's documents are safe.
Okay, I think the police went there already. They have the whole place locked up. It's safe. Babe, I'm scared.
Relax. Everything will be alright, okay?
No, I think you haven't sent for logistics. Sure. Oh. Mr. Busy, I'll call you back, okay? Just give me a second. I'll call you back. Hey?
How are you?
I'm fine, you're here.
Yes. This is Barrister Eze. He will be replacing Barrister Oji. Yes. I've already briefed him on the change of names, and he has assured me that he can handle that within 2 days.
Change of names?
On the documents.
Babe, I thought we were sticking to late barrister.
No, that was what led Barrister Oji opted, like his opinion. Are you sticking to that now?
Oh, no, it's fine. I understand. So, barrister, I believe that my husband has briefed you on the things you're going to be working on. And I'm sure you have an idea of what you're doing.
Definitely.
All right, fine. Just sit at the reception. I'll get back to you later.
That'll be all right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Like you?
I just met him. Babe, did you take 10 million naira from the company?
Oh. Yes, my bad. I forgot to tell you. Yes, I did.
Babe, that is Ono's company's money. That's a company money. You can't just take it like that.
No, I used it to solve a personal issue.
Personal issue? No, now. That's so unprofessional. This is company money. You can't just wake up and take it and you're telling me you...
Okay, so my personal issues are not bad.
No, at least you should have informed me. I'm supposed to be aware, because if I go to the board meeting now, what should I tell them?
Don't insult me. If you want, I can refund the money. What?
Are you shouting at me because I took...
No, just in case of next time. Just let me know before you do
It's
it.
fine. If you want me to refund it, I will. Don't insult me.
No, just so I know how to
No,
back.
don't tell me that. Where is this coming from?
Baby, are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Everything is working for our favor. Now that the barrister is out of the way, what do you think we should do next?
My brother's daughter, Ella, and her husband. Especially her husband needs to be taken care of.
Don't you think we should go to Barrister Ogoji's chambers? I mean, we need to go there and claim your brother's documents. You are his only brother. It is supposed to be easy for us to claim these documents.
Beauty and brain. I never thought of that, you know. Now that you've said it. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll go see the barrister, okay?
Tomorrow it is there.
Sure. And now we'll collect all the documents as regards to my brother's properties.
Yeah, Miss Ella, that's me. I really have been waiting. I can't see anybody in the office. Your husband is not here either. Oh yes, I have the signed document, the change of the documents. I have them right here with me. No, you know I can't give it to anyone to keep. It's a very vital document. Oh yeah, I want to give it to you. I want to hand it over to you or your husband direct. It's okay. I shall be waiting. I shall be waiting. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Why is she not picking up? She's still not picking up. Yeah, hello? Please, am I speaking with Miss Ella, by the way? Oh, okay. Please listen very carefully. I have a vital information for you about the person that killed your father and his barrister. Yes. Yes, for real. Please, if you are interested to know about the details, just meet me up at Chairs Hotel. Chairs Hotel at New Avenue here. Yes, around that roundabout now. Yes, one more thing please. If you are coming, don't forget to come alone. You must come alone. 7 p.m. Yes, stick to time please. Alright. Yes, she doesn't have any choice.
Right now I'm at just hold on. It's like a signboard here. I'm at Chief Okoro's roundabout.
Okay, you have just 10 minutes to be here. Yes, forget about the information. Just 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Hello? Hello? Who is this person? I didn't even tell my husband about this, and now I'm calling him. His phone is switched off. Let me just get there first. Said 10 minutes. Hurry up, Ella, hurry up. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Hello? Oh. Alright, come to room 208. What? What are you saying? Listen, if you are not ready to know about the person that killed your father and his barrister, just go, please don't call this number again.
Come in.
Oh. Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Come in. Make yourself comfortable. Just feel free.
Thank you. Who are you?
I'm even risking my life for doing this for you. I'm Brown Gandhi.
Thank you so much, Brown. I appreciate it. So you said you have information concerning who killed my father?
Yes, of course. That's the reason why you are here. But first, make yourself comfortable. Come on, sit.
No.
Sit down. Are you in a hurry?
Okay.
I will tell you, but relax first. Come on.
That's fine. So, how much am I paying you to get this information?
Why are you talking about money? Money is never my problem. I did not need anything from you. It's you that I want.
Sorry, sir, but I don't understand.
Come on. Are you a baby?
Get your hands off me.
It's you.
No.
It's you that I want.
Wait, I don't have time for this, okay? Just... Ah! Stop! What are you doing? I will shout! Get your hands off me! Get your... Wait! Somebody help! Ah!
Mercy! Mercy! Mercy!
Sir! I'm here.
You are very, very stupid. What's your problem? Are you deaf?
I'm sorry, sir.
I've been shouting your name.
I'm sorry, sir. I was busy.
Busy doing what? My friend, shut up. Where is my wife?
She has not come back.
Excuse me?
She's not back yet.
Meaning?
I don't know.
Holy Moses. What?
Is anything the matter, sir? Sir?
Get lost. What is the meaning of this?
Jesus.
Christ of Nazareth. What are you doing in a hotel room with a man?
Wait.
How do we explain this?
How did you get these pictures?
Stop talking.
How did you get this?
What are you doing with a man in a hotel room?
Babe, no. This is not me. I don't know how. Okay.
It is not you.
No.
It is AI. It is AI, okay?
No, okay, fine.
Don't get me angry.
I went to see this man. He said he had... See the messages. He said he had something to show me. I don't know.
And you chose hotel room?
No,
on his bed?
No, he asked me to come to the hotel.
Don't get me angry. Stop talking. I need
Please, I don't know how he got those pictures. I don't know.
So
I can't.
What a dumb, don't lie on my intelligence. Pictures don't lie.
I don't know how he got this. I don't know how or where he got this from.
You don't know.
I don't know, I swear. I don't know.
What are you doing with this man?
I don't know him. I just
in a hotel room.
I went there to
on
see
his
him.
bed. You went there to see him. You know what? When you're ready to explain, tell me.
Wait now. Wait. I don't know how he got this picture.
Steve,
wait. Steve! Babe, at least just hear me out, eh? I don't know where. Hey! Steve, wait now. Honey, open the door, let me explain. At least let me explain. Wait, just wait. Steve, please, I beg you.
You had all night to explain, but you could not. It is too late. Pack your things and leave this house. I know this used to be your house, but it's now on my name. By the time I come back here, I don't want to see you. Pack your things and leave. It is over between us. If I meet you here when I return, I will disfigure your face.
Please, okay, just wait. Steve, wait. Honestly, wait. I don't know what that guy is. I don't know what he is.
You already know I'm the new CEO of this company, but that's not the point. Ella is no longer part of this company.
Sir, why? What happened to her?
Did I tell you that anything happened to her? I said she's no longer part of this company.
And who is no longer part of this company?
You. Because you're a chronic cheat.
Wait.
It's over. Pick your things and leave.
No, you're high on cheap drugs. My father's company?
Sorry, darling. It used to be your father's company.
No, you will stand up and get out.
Don't forget my name. It's on the papers.
Get this man out of this office now.
Right.
Ma, please, can you... Let's talk outside. Let's just set everything out, please. Let's settle it outside.
Are you stupid? I say get him out. Come on.
Respect yourself.
Are you crazy? Will you come and get this man out of here now? Steve!
Madam Ella, please, let's talk outside.
Move her now. You want to lose your job.
Hey.
If I say that again, you're fine. Move her.
Let me call the police. You're crazy. If you touch her, are you mad? Get out of here, nonsense.
I said move her. She slap her back.
If you touch me.
Madam Ella, let's talk outside.
Are you crazy? Come on. Let me call the police. I'll come back for you.
Outside, let's talk.
Oga and Madam are not yet back. By this time, this is almost 10 p.m. and their numbers are switched off.
See, you see wetin time they talk? By this time, Oga and Madam never return back here. I mean, call them because as it be like this, I don't tire, I won't go sleep. I don't stand there tired, I don't wait tired. I won't go sleep, I beg.
Don't you have phone? Call them with your phone. Your problem is to go and sleep. You are not even bothered if they are alright or not. Selfish woman being.
See, you wait I don't like no just try and insult me. If you want to insult me, tell me say I'm the man.
Waka here. You don't first tell me waka, don't tell you back. I beg you go your duty post. Go your duty post. That is where you belong. Come on here.
Wait, Na shit you go shit when they smell for my face.
Na shit wey dey your hand.
I know they come out, Oya. Do your worst.
Hey! Ogene! You stand for that shit. You have my phone, I must call you. I will call Oga today. You see that shit? This one, nigga, when you know what's it. Oh no! I don't call her.
I don't arrange her.
No.
Wait.
I won't go call Oga.
You be witch!
You be witch that
man.
I will call her, mo. See me. See as it be. Go stand for that gate, oh. Make us sit down here. They wait for Oga.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Like it?
Babe, our new home is so beautiful. I love it.
You love it too.
I love it. Wow.
Yeah. Hey. Are you okay? Go down.
Welcome, sir.
You're very stupid. I said lie down. In fact, kneel down.
Okay, I don't get that before.
You saw me with someone. Not just someone, but my wife. I was expecting you guys to be shivering, dejected. In fact, lie down and greet her. But no. You're telling me, yeah. Are you sick?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Breaking news. Good morning. This is my wife. Whenever you see her, prostrate. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Accord her the respect she deserves.
Yes, sir.
The other one is what I call Old Testimony.
What testimony?
I caught her with another man. She cheated on me. And according to tradition, that means bye-bye. So she is Old Testimony. I hope my message is clear.
Yes,
because I hate repeating myself.
Very clear, sir. Very clear.
Oh yeah, don't move an inch
Okay,
until she passes.
Okay, sir.
Honey?
Thank you, babe.
Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Stay like that.
Okay, sir.
Don't move.
Okay, sir.
You can stay for me.
Okay.
I love that.
You love me.
Okay, I think carry the bag. Come inside now.
After that, please.
Okay, okay.
Why you like that?
You say? Why
Why you like that?
You don't hear what your Oga talk? He said this one when bring supposed to be in wife. Say the other one cheat on them. What do you want make I do?
Which wife? Just dey mumu yourself. Very soon, na squat you go dey squat to the server.
Why you follow me like that?
I know like that, na kneel down.
Okay, kneel down and lie down. Which one be the difference?
Na kneel down better.
Why you not stand?
I don't stand now.
You be Oga now, I be your madam. Which one you be?
Go keep that
Your
bag. Go keep
if they there.
Nah, go keep. Where they carry this one?
Mercy! Where is this stupid girl? Mercy! Where is this girl? Mercy!
Auntie.
Hold on. But you mean you were inside and you allowed me to stress myself calling your name? Are you trying to tell me that you didn't hear me calling you?
I was busy with
Will
something.
you shut up? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? You were busy with your miserable life? What is wrong with you? Let me warn you. The next time I call you twice, you will lose your job. Did you hear that? What do you have for lunch?
Jollof rice with salad.
No, I don't want that.
I am done cooking.
Will you shut up? I'm talking and you're talking back at me. Are you okay? I'm talking and you're talking back at me. Do you want me to slap you again? I want white rice with sauce, with enough chicken. I and my husband want to have lunch.
Okay, ma.
So go inside and get to work. Move it. Leave! Shoot! Angela, you have come to possess your possession. You are not the boss. I'm in charge.
Now, which kind of problem is this one? Eh? Which kind of problem person enter for this house? Eh? Now once in a day person they chop. Imagine me, chief security officer in this place, and they chop only once. Eh? Since when they carry that witch enter this house? So once person they chop. Eh? Which kind of people build these ones?
Okay.
Eh?
There is problem.
Problem?
Yes.
What did you have?
I overheard Oga last night telling that prostitute he brought home that Oga's daughter was kidnapped 3 days ago. It's like they've killed her.
Hey! My madam. Now why they carry that witch enter this house?
No, they shout. No, they shout. They shout.
Which kind of problem is this one now?
What is going on there? Huh? I said, what is going on here? What are you both discussing? Hey! Come. Kneel down. I said, kneel down!
Oh, you people are discussing about me. So you don't have anything to do again in this house, rather than to discuss about me. Hey! Will you shut up? I'm still talking. No, kill you there.
Yes.
So you don't have anything to do in the kitchen. You are here discussing. No, you're gossiping about me.
No, ma.
Okay, what were you discussing?
I was asking him about the plate he ate with last night. Where is my plate now?
Not true. I don't know where the plate is. Backyard front. I don't. Not true. She talk.
Now both of you should listen to me. I hate gossips. Did you hear that? I hate gossips. So both of you should avoid me in this house. Yes, avoid me, else you will lose your job. Trust me. Avoid me, oh. If you want to do your gossip, better go elsewhere and do it. Just avoid me. Now go back to your duty post. Leave!
My plate, I want to wash it. You want that plate, oh? Get my plate.
Look at them. Dirty pigs. Look at this thing. Gossiping about me. You people should be careful with me in this house, oh. Be careful with me in this house. Huh? You don't know the kind of mother you have. Rubbish.
Yes, babe. I don't think I can handle this company. Yes, it's too big for me. Listen, I think I have to sell it off.
No, babe.
What?
Selling it is not an option. Instead of selling it, why not get someone who can manage it?
Yeah, I think you're right.
So it's this man and this woman. I tried my best to stop them. They came in here by force. I tried my best to stop them, but they forced themselves in.
Where? Leave this place, please. I have come to assume a place in my brother's company.
Yes, babe.
Yeah. Now listen. I heard my niece was kidnapped and dead. Okay? And I've come to assume my place in this company as the CEO, and I want you to hand over every file in your possession now!
You have 5 seconds to leave, else you are dead.
Hey, take it easy. That's not a call, you know. This guy is a crazy guy.
Hey, thank you.
serious?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to move. Are you expecting anyone?
Who? Jesus!
I thought she was dead. You wicked man. You bastard. Imbecile. You ungrateful thing. You even had the guts to bring in these sluts into my father's house. After you framed me up with that stupid man Brown. Steve!
Steve? You're shocked to see me, right? I survived your bullet. Yes, I did. My secretary saved me by alerting the neighborhood, and I was rushed to the hospital. But for God, I would have been dead today. I'm sure you can't deny that. For your information, I recorded every single conversation we had in my office the very first day you came and threatened to kill me if I refused to change the names on Chief's documents. Bravo, Mr. Steve.
What did we do to you, Steve? What did my father and I do to you? My father gave you everything. I literally had to step back several times to let you be the man. I sold my birthright to you. I was there for you. I gave you everything. My blood, my sweat, my soul, my body. I gave you everything that belonged to me just to make sure that you succeed. How did you pay me back? You had to take away my father's life. Steve, you killed a man that made you what you are today. A man that gave you hope. A man that picked you up from the gutters, cleaned you, fed you, gave you shelter and gave you hope. You have no human empathy. You're heartless. Steve, I gave you everything. What did I do? What have I not done? What did I not do for you? I was there in trying times. My father warned me several times to stay off you, but I didn't listen because I thought you loved me. You and my uncle have been the issue we've had this entire time in this house. Okay, fine. I knew my uncle was a devil, but who would have thought that a man I slept next to and I woke up next to would be the one to ruin me? You're a devil. Just so you know, this man, he's amongst the men that you sent to kill my father. He confessed. That's him. That's him. And my uncle sent men to kidnap me. Thank God, God is God. One of them saved my life.
Please go now. You have to go now. The man that sent us asked us to kill you. But I was shocked when I realized who you are.
Kill me?
Your father was a good man. Please go now.
Who asked you to kill me? Who is that? What do you mean?
Please go now.
That's my uncle.
Please go now. If my second find out that I'm setting you free, he will not be happy.
Thank you so much. God will bless you. What's your name? What's your name?
Go, just go.
Which way? My uncle is now in the police station. He's going to spend the rest of his life there. And that's where you're going to from here. You won't only go to jail, you will spend your life in hell. I will make sure of that.
Please,
Shut up! Shut up! Take him.
Please, I'm not part of this. I'm not part of this. It was all him. I'm not part of it. I'm innocent. I'm not part of this. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Hey. Officer, I'm not part of it. I'm not part of it. I'm not
Be careful who you give your trust. There are so many friendly enemies. They're lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. Be careful who you mingle with. There are so many friendly enemies. They're hiding in the shadows, waiting for the right time to strike. And they are dangerous. They just waiting for the day they will bring you down. They are dangerous. Those friendly enemies, beware of them, cause they are dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. They are wolves in the coat of sheep, like a dangerous. They're waiting for the day to strike. Yeah.